Alright, here's what we're gonna do. Jimmy's first day, second day actually, out here at Gary's. See how he's doing. See if he fucks it up. Don't be scared.
Well, let's get a straight shot here. Exactly.
You scared yet?
Living the dream.
Living the dream. That's what we're doing right now. Living the dream.
Down 71 will run into Joplin. Joplin.
Not enough oxygen.
What do you take
Too far away.
to Wichita to 1?
You just got it.
You're good. You're doing it all right. You're all learning. You're getting it. Big pipe. That's what we like. Big pipe.
Take
Look at that. Big pipe.
You get out to Wichita to Wellington, take 160 over.
Yeah, look at that right there, dude.
Yeah. What is it?
96 highway.
Parsons?
Why you want to go up here?
Well, that's what she told me when I'm in Abilene right